Is Ferrari's 2026 title challenge already in trouble? Rumors suggest Mercedes and Red Bull found a compression trick that Ferrari missed, leaving the Scuderia with a 10 horsepower deficit. To fix it, Maranello is taking a massive gamble. Reports suggest they are testing steel cylinder heads instead of traditional aluminum. Why steel? It handles insane pressure and boosts thermal efficiency to claw back that missing power. But here's the catch. Steel is heavy, and pushing an engine this hard puts reliability on a knife edge. We know how that usually ends for Ferrari. Is this genius engineering or a disaster waiting to happen? Subscribe and let me know your take.